Hello and welcome to another episode. Today I'll be showing you how to make my alkaline vegan candied walnuts. Let's get started. This is a really quick recipe, and the first thing you would need is 2 cups of raw shelled unsalted walnuts. You can also do this with other types of nuts. Anyway, let's head to the stove. Next, place a dry skillet on the stove set to medium-high heat. Once your skillet is hot, pour in your walnuts. Move your walnuts around so they're all touching the surface of the pan. Let them toast for 2 to 4 minutes. Once your walnuts become fragrant, give them a really good stir, then add about 1/4 cup of date syrup. Give them a really good stir until they're all coated in date syrup. Next, add a tablespoon of agave nectar. Most importantly, add 1 tablespoon of coconut aminos. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of date sugar. Stir until everything is uniformly coated, then you're all set. I don't need to talk too much. This snack speaks for itself. Make it, taste it, get back to me in the comment section. I'll see you all next week.